Oh my God, it comes at you fast. Hey guys, let's get ready for the Black Sharif show in DC. Honey, ever since I heard that song with the seasoning, I've literally listened to every single music that he's come out with. He also just dropped an album yesterday, so definitely go ahead and listen to it. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and prime because even though I'm not doing my base makeup first, now I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Party Proof Primer because I do need my eyeshadow to stay in place. I'm putting some concealer on my eyelids. I wanted to do like a black smoky eye look because my outfit is black, but I want to go with gray, something to match the top I'm wearing right now. I'm gonna go in first with this quad from ColourPop. We're taking a little bit of this shade and we're gonna put it all over the crease. So we're using the Juvia's Place, the grays. I'm gonna go to this shade and just apply it all over my eyelid, except the inner corner. Take a bit of our first ColourPop brown shade and just deepen the crease and the outer corner. We're putting this silver directly in the inner corner of the eye look. Okay, I like it. It's simple, it's cute, but I feel like once I put the finishing touches on there, it's gonna be fantastic. We're taking 2 pumps of the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. This is such a fluid foundation. It's a beautiful full coverage foundation. If I have to go out, if it's an event, it's gonna be the Fenty Pro Filter because the Pro Filter is so thick. It literally just covers everything I need it to cover, and it's so creamy. While we're waiting for this to dry, we're gonna just sculpt the face, okay? Now I'm gonna blend this concealer in, and I'm using a sponge to blend it in. Let's blend in the LYS bronzer stick. We're gonna put Fenty 480 in the middle. Now we're gonna set with the Benai Nutmeg Setting Powder. Taking the Benai colorless setting powder that has 0 color in it, and I'm going to use it to set my entire base because I want this base to last, especially because we're going to be in the heat, okay? And as you can see, this powder literally gives 0 color to the base. This is the colorless side. This is the no powder side. Let me know which side you like better, okay? Just let me know. I'm using the Give Beauty eyeliner. I don't know if this brand is available, but the liner is really nice, and I'm just gonna put it in my waterline. I literally just ruined my eyeshadow. So I'm taking my silver again. I'm going to fix this mistake right here by just applying some more silver eyeshadow right over it. The MAC Stack Elevated Mascara, Juvia's Place Volume 1 blush. I'm going in with the first one and a little bit of this one, and we're just gonna place it on the highest point of the cheek. We're using the Amicole Midnight Lip Liner. Let's do the Huda Beauty Joyride because I feel like it has a slight cool tone to it. First, we're starting with a matte finish. Huda Beauty Rich Glow Obsessions. Today we're using this one. Taking a bit of the Morphe Cloud Light finishing powder. This is the shade Sunset. I like this for the under eye for a bit of a glow. This is a Rare Beauty finishing powder in the shade Espresso, and I'm just gonna put a bit of it over everything just to blend everything in. One more time for the blush because I do want the blush to pop a bit more. Okay, we're gonna set a face again. Until Dawn. Take a deep breath. Let's go with glitter waterproof because I just want to know what it looks like. Oh my God, it comes at you fast. Do you see anything? Do you see glitter? Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! No. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. This is not. No. That is a lot of glitter. I underestimated this. This is a lot of glitter. Absolutely gonna be a fave during festival season. I ended up with way more glitter than I wanted. Oh my God. What am I gonna do? So, okay, this is the look. Doesn't make sense right now, but it's gonna make more sense in the dark. Oh, do you see this? It's gonna make so much more sense in like a dimly lit environment. And my outfit, it's gonna eat, okay? It's gonna eat.